Hey friends, if you wish to add green screen in Microsoft Clipchamp, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure, and interestingly, it is much easier than adding green screen on Adobe Premiere Pro or any other software for video editing, because in Adobe Premiere Pro you need to go through keying and all of that, but here it is just drag and drop and then adding the effect. So I'll click on create a new video and then I'll click on import media. Now I have one green screen video here, so I will use this one. Okay, and then I will import, let's say, any other media. So I'll simply pick a, what do we say, video file, and then I will cut it a little because I don't need the redundant part. I'll drag it here, I'll cut it, I'll remove it, then this one, and then I will keep my cursor on the first one, the green screen one. Then I'll click on effects, then I'll scroll down and I'll click on green screen and see the magic. I'll hit the play key, and as you can see, the green screen has taken over the other video. So was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.